Lora Hair 5-in-1 is marketed as a multifunctional hair styling tool that promises to dry, curl, straighten, smooth, and add volume using a single device. The ads make it look like an all-in-one salon solution, but the real question is, what doesn't the marketing tell you? Now, to be fair, multi-styling hair tools are a legitimate product category and can be a convenient option for people who want several styling functions in one device. What it does well: versatile styling options. It combines multiple hair styling functions into a single tool, reducing the need for separate devices. Space-saving design. One device takes up less storage space than owning several individual styling tools. Where the hype falls apart, it won't replace every professional tool. Dedicated curling irons or straighteners may still deliver better results for specific hairstyles. Results depend on your hair type. Fine, thick, curly, or coarse hair can all respond differently to the same styling tool. Heat can still cause damage. Regular use without heat protection may lead to dryness or breakage over time. So, should you buy the Lora Hair 5-in-1? Short answer: yes, if you want the convenience of multiple styling functions in one device. If you're looking for an all-in-one hair styler for everyday use, it may be worth considering. But don't expect it to outperform specialized salon tools in every category. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.